I would like to show y'all what I've been up to, but before I do that, I like to start from the beginning, cleaning and getting back to the grind. Last year, I was creating characters, stylized characters in my style, and I didn't do much cleaning. I was just creating, and pretty much I was just thinking it's time to clean up. So that's what I did. I created this painting of my best friend Will. He's a skateboarder of trap boarding. Also, a character in my story, my Ventures Turn series. Every time I paint, I pull out this table and it gets messy. I really love the way this turned out, and pretty much I need a workflow. I need systems and prompts. So that's the purpose of getting back into cleaning. Really happy and excited about the way my space was turning out, but it began to feel a bit cluttered. So immediately I was just thinking it's time to clean up. So yeah, that's what I'm doing in this video. I'm cleaning. One of my favorite books, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. I recommend it. I say everyone should read it, especially if you want to reorganize your life or just declutter in general. She pretty much built these systems, built a lifestyle around cleaning, had a sense of purpose, and I really love that for her. And you can really take what you learn from those books and implement it. So yeah, it was time for me to get back into structuring my workspace. And yes, again, I love the way it turned out. Characters I designed from my favorite shows. You have Garfield, you have Johnny from Ed and Eddie, I have Finn from Adventure Time, and I have my own characters, Gizmo, Egypt, and artwork in general. This stylized character course that I took, it really improved my artwork and helped me achieve the goals that I planned on doing, like working on my graphic novel and things like that. But again, it was time for me to get back into structure and workflow, which is very, very important to me. So here I have this thing where in the book she basically says to take everything and put it in a pile, and I always cleaned that way even since I was younger. Like when it was time to clean my room as a kid, I would put every single thing in one pile and find a place for it. And if it didn't have a place for it, then maybe it was just time to let it go. And before throwing things away immediately, I will sit on it and truly think about the purpose that it served. Does it bring me joy? And if the answer was no, then it was an easy, quick solution to just throw it away. But if I was undecided, then I would find a space for it and just dwell on it. So I still have things like my Game Boy SP, my Game Boy Color, the green one. Those are memories that I do not want to let go anytime soon. But yes, my workspace is very, very important for me. It's how I'm getting motivated and inspired to keep going and to just create in general. So, yeah, right now I've been working on just keeping my space clean and also spending 15 minutes or just cleaning up immediately after I'm done after I'm done creating. I'm getting into the habit of just cleaning up, and that feels good. This is an older video, by the way. This is in December. I'm just keeping y'all up to date where I was before, and soon I will reveal what I'm doing now, how far I've come. And it's currently like summertime. Summer feels like it's almost over, and I'm ready for the next chapter. And to be honest, I'm still in spring cleaning, but I've been doing a lot. I've been focusing on stylized character designs, specifically for characters in my story, because when I'm ready to resume my graphic novel, I want an easy workflow. I want pictures to reference the characters I created in my story, and I want to be able to give everyone those visuals. As an artist, when I released my book, I'm pretty sure lots of people were expecting more visuals, and that's one thing I want to really bring back into fruition. I want to be a little bit more visual heavy this time around. I've been working on book two for years now, and I don't feel like I'm near ready. I want the book to be longer than the first book. The first book was about 79 pages of reading content, and I want it to be way longer than that. So I'm just taking my time. I took a little break to get myself together, and everything is going well. I'm excited, and I can't wait to show y'all what I've been up to in the next few videos. That's what you can expect from me. And yeah, I was very happy with this workspace, but I'm pretty sure you will enjoy the next one even more. Stay tuned.